Since I received my new bike, I just wanted to do a bike check. So this year I'll be running a Mach4 SL. It's a platform that came out last year, and so this year they kept the winning solution. The bike is basically a cross-country bike on steroid, 100 mil at the back, but 120 at the front. Since I'm riding in very technical terrain here in Quebec City, it's the way to go if you want to do hard races such as BC Bike Race or Transylvania Epic. You need to have bigger travel, so the 120 is a good option. I'll also be running the NVM 525, which are the lightest wheels that they have. The XTR is also the lightest cassette at Shimano. So you have a couple of titanium cogs. Right behind the cassette you have the Industry 9 Hydra hubs with more than 600 engagement points. On the Pivot Mach4 SL there is now the dual lockout. So it basically locks both of the chuck at the same time, so you don't have to reach for the, the remote or something. The tires that I'll be riding are all Maxxis tires, so I'll be switching between Recon Race and Aspen. So the bike is all ready for the first race of the season, which is going to be the True Grit 50 miler in St. George, Utah. So I'll be running the stage race, so 2 gravel events and 1 mountain bike event, and this bike will be ready for that hard mountain bike race.